Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel. So this is the Adsense account that I've been posting not long ago. So about 6 to 7 weeks ago, I bought this Adsense account around April or thereabout. So I made the first video about this Adsense account, this website. And when I made the video, it was having almost no views. So if you go to my channel, you're going to see that. I'm not going to bore you guys about that, but if you go to my channel, you're going to see that. So after that video, I told you guys that I'm going to grow this Adsense account from scratch to the point where it starts making good money. In fact, I told you guys I'm going to grow it to the point where we'll make our first withdrawal. I'm just going to quickly search for my channel. So I'll show you guys where I started. So this is my channel. So in case you are new, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, so let's go to videos. Okay, so these are my videos. I think about 2 months ago, I made the first video. Okay, let's just say 8 weeks ago. That was when I started the challenge. And if you take a look here, you will see that we've been able to make £61 in our balance. Now, if you guys know, the minimum threshold for withdrawal for pounds account is actually £60. And we've been able to make £61 on the account. So these are my recent videos. So let me go to where I made the first video on this account. Okay, so this was when I made the first video. That was like a month ago, 1 month ago. That was when I made the first video for this Adsense account. And fast forward to the second one. So this is the second one. So this is the third one. And this is the fourth one, right? So 4 videos now, that's like in the space of 1 month. And we've been able to amount £60. That is good, right? Not crazy, not insane, but good. Okay, so let me just quickly refresh so that you guys will see that this is not some fake screenshot or something. You can see that everything is still intact. Now, if you guys remember here, in this video, we were limited. I think that was May 7th. We were limited, but in the midst of the ads limit, ads were still showing on the site, right? Now, after some days, the notification, was removed. So, but then the notification came back in the last, I think it came back on the 29th of last month. Okay, so today is the 2nd of June, right? So now the reason why it came back was because I wanted to hit £60 really bad. So I decided to start running ads on the site. Now the ads was actually to, increase the earnings so that we can actually make £60. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys the threshold for this account. Now just stick with me in this video. This video is going to be useful to a lot of you guys. So you can see that the minimum threshold is £60 for pounds account, and we'll be able to make £61.75. Now let's go to the verification of this account. So if you go to the verification, you can see that we've actually started the verification process. After this is verified, then we verify the PIN, and then we'll be able to withdraw our money. So if you go to Policy Center, we're limited on May 7th, like I said. And the reason for this ads limit is that I told you guys that when you try to scale things up really fast, you're going to have issues with ads limit. And that is the aim, right? The aim is to build this account gradually to the point where we're able to make consistent income, because a lot of people have been saying that blogging doesn't really pay. It involves a lot of risk and all of that. I mean, every business involves risk, likewise blogging. So you have to handle it as well. Now, how did I fast track these earnings to make good money before the month ended, right? I'm going to go to the report of this account. So let's go to the reports. So this is the report for this account, and this is for the last 7 days on this account. So for the last 7 days, we actually made £31, but I'm going to just take it to the last 30 days. The last 30 days, we made £64, right? So what happened? What really changed? What influenced our earnings? What ignited this spike? And this spike was actually the reason why the ads limit came back. Now, if you guys remember when I started this, I told you guys that spikes actually causes ads limits, right? But I had to break that rule so that we'll actually make enough to withdraw this month. Now, the reason why I wanted to fast track it was because I wanted to actually show you guys that it is possible. But then at the same time, the account is actually due for scaling, right? It's due for scaling because we've actually maintained that Ugoli movement up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down movements for the past 30 or 28 days, right? So it's due for scaling, and we're able to scale here. But then if we're just like going to play by the rule, we will not be able to make up to 60 pounds. So we'll have to scale more before going down, right? Just like that. So nothing has changed. It's still the same pattern. It's still the same rule. Okay. So now, like I said, how did I generate this morning? I ran ads. Okay. Now for the record, I started running ads on it. I think, let's say 29th, like I said, or 30th. I can't remember. Okay, it was actually on 30th. So this is it for 30th. So, okay, it started on 29, I'm correct. So for the 29th, that was the first day of the ads. We didn't really make much intentionally, right? So let me go to the ads account I used for this. So I'm just going to refresh it. Okay, so it's refreshed. So let me just go to from 29th. 29th of last month. So 29th of last month to 2nd. Okay, updates. Alright. Okay, now if you take a look at what I'm being charged, you see that I'm being charged ridiculously low. This one I'm being charged 0.34 naira. I'm being charged 0.78 naira per click. This one 3 naira per click, 2 naira per click, 4 naira per click. Not more than that, right? Okay. So now I was able to let me break it down for you guys. I think for the 29th, I think this was the ads that we can't really differentiate them, but it's just one of these ads. Okay, now but let me just go to 29 only. 29 only. Okay, good. So this was the ads that we only spent 930 naira to make how much? So that day we made on 29th we made 2.3 pounds. And if you convert 2.3 pounds to naira, so let me pull up my calculator. I'm taking my time to actually show you guys what is possible. Just stick with me and make sure you watch this video. So pounds is rating at around 2,000. I think 2,200 depending on your exchange. So multiply that by 2.35 naira. Okay, so that gives us 5,000 naira. So we used 5,000 naira. We used 913 naira to make 5,000 naira. So if we divide that by 913 naira, it's going to give us, oh damn, what am I typing now? It's going to give us 5x. So that means we made 5x. Now, there have been this saying that you cannot make more than 2x now, that Facebook is charging blah, blah, blah. I mean, Facebook is actually charging. It will charge you if you don't know what you're doing. But we made 5x return on investment for this. So I'm going to go to another day. So let's do for the 30th. So for the 30th of May, remember I told you guys that we're trying to rush, but then so for the 30th of May, I actually spent like half of this money on this particular site that we are trying to build, and then half I sent it to another site, including this one. So half of this 6,000 was actually sent to the site we're using for this experiment. So I'm just going to take it as 3,000 naira that was sent to that site. All right. So 3,000 naira gave us 6 pounds. All right. It gave us 6 pounds, 6.3 pounds. So this started of me. So if we go to our calculator, okay, let's clear. So we go to our calculator, 6.34 pounds, 34 pounds times 2,200. So that gives us 13,000 naira divided by 3,000 naira. That gives us 4x, or not 5x, 4.6x. All right. So now let's go to 31st, right? So 31st of the month, which was the last day of the month. So let's go to 31st. I think that was the day I spent most on the site because I was trying to get up to £60 for the account. All right, yeah. So this is it. So I spent all of the £6 on the account, right? So this was sent to another site. So 6,000 naira for the site. So how much did we make? We made for the 31st, we made £12.61. So 6,000 naira. Clear? It's clear. £12.65, £61, £12.61. Multiplied by 2,200. 2,200 is the equivalent of £1 to naira. So we made 27,000 naira. So let's divide that by how much you spent, which was 6,000 naira. So we got still 4.6x. Okay, so this is a consistent revenue. Okay, so and I still continue the emails because I can't just allow the whole chat to decline like that, right? So I still continue the ads on the 1st of this month. So first, which was yesterday, we spent, how much did you spend on first? Spent, okay, I think I spent 3,000 or thereabouts, 3,000 for some of this traffic. I sent it to another site. So I spent 3,000 naira and a little bit of this on the same site. Then the rest I sent it to another site. So let's check what we got on first. We got £10, 11 pounds rather. So do it £11 times 2,200. That gives us 24,000 divided by 3,000. Divided by 3,000. So that gives us 8x, right? So even if you divide 24,200 by 5,000 naira, the amount you spend for the whole day. Okay, here's the 25,000 naira divided by 5. It's still going to give us 5x, right? So now, don't mind my calculation, I just cut it short. So this is to show you guys that this is what works. This is consistent aiming, and I'm just going to refresh it again so that you guys will see that everything is real. Okay. So now, where is my traffic actually coming from? Majority of the ads I ran was from Nigeria, and our target audience is also from Nigeria, right? So I'm going to let's go to last month. Last month. Okay, you can see the majority of the traffic came from Nigeria, South Africa, United States, and United Arab Emirates, UK, and the rest of them. Okay, so now, how did I generate all this money? I've been talking about it since the start of this experiment, and this month being second, we made £16. So the target for this month is actually to make around £300, right? So that's how you scale things, that's how you stay within limit, that's how you don't get yourself terminated from Adsense, right? You should play by the rule, follow the protocols, follow the process, the procedures. You're going to withdraw your money. Now, whatever I am doing on this, it works for big accounts, right? I have bigger accounts that are doing bigger earnings. And from within last year, I told you guys I'm not going to be sharing my screenshots again. The reason why I'm showing this one is because I am walking you guys through, right? I'm showing you guys that it's still possible. But then, if you want to learn how I run these ads that converts, that gives me 5x, 4x, 6x, 7, 8x, there are days that you even see 10x, but then you have to be careful because there are amounts that you just attract unnecessary attention. And I'm no longer moved by the figures. I follow the process, right? If account can make me $1,000 per day, I'd rather make $300 per day because I've lost a lot because of being greedy. So if you want to learn this particular method that I use to run these ads to get very low charge and then good conversion, I'm going to open a slot for 10 people. And please, if you're hitting me up with your $100, nothing more, nothing less. Don't ask me for this scam because this is a very, very high in demand knowledge that can make you rich. So I'm not going to consider you for anything. So please hit me up for the first 10 people that will hit me up $100, and I'll teach them everything that they can do to make at least $1,000 per month, at least, depending on your account value, This is not for newbies as well, right? I have a package for newbies, but then just for this method, hit me up with your $100, and I'm going to walk you guys through step-by-step process on how to achieve this result. And even better, because if you look at the CPC is still fluctuating and all that. Okay, but then I believe it's going to increase when the time comes, right? Because right now you don't really need a high CPC. You just need to be monitoring your earnings and all that. So with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.